Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Marlon Fermin, 32 years old, married, with 2 children, ages 8 years old and 7 years old daughter, living at Purok Forpadad, Alicia Isabela. I have one sister, and I'm the eldest child member of the family. I'm a college level. I took a Bachelor of Science of Agriculture.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience here in the Philippines as a company driver, food production in 2 years. I do deliver the products to one place to one another. I can do also deliver the rice from buying station to deliver to the rice mill to milling the rice. I can do also marketing, selling, gardening, and car washing.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Hope you choose me as your family driver. I can do my duties, responsibilities very well. Thank you and God bless, sir.